Welcome Minecraft gamers. Today we're going to build a Minecraft cake. So instead of building cool and funky worlds virtually, we are going to build it with delicious cake, and it's going to be chocolate with cookies and cream filling. So not only is it fun and adventurous, it's delicious. Okay, welcome to the Minecraft cake. So in keeping with Minecraft, I've kept everything square, including my cake board. I'm going to I started with my delicious chocolate cake, put in the cookies and cream filling with my Italian meringue buttercream. Now I'm going to put on the top here. Woo! And then what I'm going to do is, I don't really have a set plan. So I made a sheet cake that I'm going to use to kind of create the terraces around the cake. And I'm just going to go with my creativity. I'm not really following a plan. So I've made the character Herobrine, I believe is his name. So I'm trying to do the little squares here, and then just adding little pieces. I mean, it's a little bit time consuming, but I think I put some Tylos, so that is this product here, into the fondant so that it'll harden up, and then I can actually put him right into the scene that I'm creating.